Tensions are rising in East London as protests erupt over shocking claims of a foreign national declaring himself king. Sanibonani babukeli, you are watching Hillcare, your go-to source for international updates, real-life stories with the pinch of umgosi. Community leaders including Ngizwe Mchunu and Phakela Umthakathi are leading a march in East London, sparking national attention. The protest comes after allegations that a Nigerian foreigner attempted to install himself as a king, triggering outrage among residents and traditional leadership structures. Demonstrators say this is a violation of local customs, authority and sovereignty, demanding immediate intervention from authorities. Videos and images from the march show growing crowds with leaders calling for accountability and action. The situation is quickly gaining traction online, with many South Africans debating issues of immigration, leadership legitimacy and cultural respect. Hey, it's Ngizwe. Oh, hi. Anyway, is this a really threat to traditional leadership or a misinformation spreading fast? Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more breaking news updates. And don't forget, you are watching Hillcare, your go-to source for international updates, real-life stories with the pinch of umgosi.